Thinking about using TrueCar in 2025? You're in the right place. We're breaking down everything you need to know before you make a decision. This review covers the pros, cons, and the truth behind the 2.2 rating on Trustpilot. Let's get started. What is TrueCar? TrueCar is an online car buying service that connects users to certified dealers with upfront pricing. It's designed to simplify car shopping and help you avoid the hassle of traditional dealerships. The good, TrueCar offers transparent pricing, real-time market data, and a user-friendly interface. Many users appreciate the ability to compare prices and get offers without stepping foot into a dealership. The bad. Despite its features, TrueCar currently holds a 2.2-star rating on Trustpilot. Common complaints include pushy sales calls from dealerships, misleading price estimates, and inconsistent availability of vehicles shown online. The truth. TrueCar can be helpful if you're looking to understand price ranges or negotiate smarter, but don't rely solely on it. Always cross-check inventory, call dealerships directly, and be ready for follow-up communication from sellers. TrueCar has some solid tools, but it's not perfect, and that 2.2 rating speaks volumes. Do your homework before committing. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to How to Tutor for more honest reviews and smart tips. See you next time!